What's up guys, PE Guy here. Today, I'm going to show you some new shoes. Alright, so today I'm going to show you my brand new shoes that I just got. Now, I love shoes. I love a good pair of running shoes, especially since I'm a PE teacher. I'm always on my feet. I need a good pair of shoes. So let's check out these shoes. Alright, here they are. Boom, we just unboxed the Nike Pegasus 38. Let me know in the comments what you think. These are a special edition. Each shoe, the right and the left, was a different color. Do you like that, or do you like them both being the same color? Alright, I'm pretty stoked to try them out. Man, I can't wait to use my new PE shoes. Alright, have a fantastic day. Peace.